Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make achi soup. It is very delicious. Just sit back, relax and watch how it goes. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this video or our video, please try to share, like, comment and subscribe.
Determination, my only shield. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. The road grows long, fatigue sets in. Ups and downs, weathering lights, can I really win? Yet I remember why I started. Resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. The battle's won, the skies are clear. Evergreen joy, my spirit's cheer, a lasting bliss forever true. This life's great gift given to you.